Welcome to our channel. Today we how to invest with First Citizens Bank, beginner guide step by step clearly. Begin by researching First Citizens Bank to understand their investment options. Visit their official website to access resources and information. Create an account with First Citizens Bank if you do not already have one. Gather necessary documents for account verification, such as identification and proof of address. Fill out the required forms to set up your investment account. Choose the type of investment account that suits your financial goals. Consider options like brokerage accounts, retirement accounts, or managed portfolios. Make an initial deposit into your chosen investment account. Explore First Citizens Bank's investment products, including stocks, bonds, and mutual funds. Review the bank's investment guidelines and risk assessments for each product. Consult with a financial advisor if you need personalized guidance. Evaluate your risk tolerance and investment horizon before making decisions. Use their online tools to track market trends and analyze potential investments. Diversify your investments to spread risk across various asset classes. Set investment goals and create a strategy aligned with your financial objectives. Monitor your portfolio regularly and make adjustments as needed. Stay informed about market conditions and economic factors that might affect your investments. Leverage educational resources provided by First Citizens Bank to enhance your investment knowledge. Consider joining investment workshops or webinars hosted by the bank for beginners. Keep accurate records of your transactions for future reference and tax purposes. Continuously reassess your investment strategy as your financial situation evolves. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.